Here are the parts for the laser welder. Grounding wire must be used when connecting the main electrical wire. This matter must not be forgotten. Turn on the switch. Nitrogen is the best gas. Insert air connector. Rotary valve. Press the power. Touch screen. Turn the valve again. Air pressure range. Inject distilled or purified water. The water goes here. Push the button. Wait 3 seconds. Confirm the running. Match the corresponding material. Install. Note the difference in parameter values. Different widths. The right choice is on the inside. Tighten the screw. Pull the wire. The same numerical. Use your fingers to help. Hold down the wire. Loosen the screw. Put together. To find it, notice the difference. Tighten the screw. This interval correct. Move it in along the trajectory. Down T-fit. This is wrong. Rotate the fix. Press fit. Take out the power cord. Notice the different sizes. The product has grooves on it. Note that there. Directional control. It has the same thing here. Plug in. Switch on. Let the wire move. It comes out and stops. Take out the accessories. Turn it. Find the corresponding match. To tighten it, find the screw. Put it together. To tighten it, start the laser. Start the feed-up. Start the fittings. The preparations have been completed. The next task is find the focal length. Flip it to the top. Launching. The energy is strongest at the focus. Refill it again. The sideways difference at the focal point. Adjust the distance based on the focal position. Adjust the corresponding position. To tighten it, start our field operation.